Hi guys! So I made this simple and delicious mango fried rice and it was great. Family, I want to share with you. It was a quickie one, very simple, and the outcome was delicious. You want to try it, okay? Take your fried rice game to another level. So let's go. So in my scallop, I add some oil and then my egg. Like I said, this is a quickie one, okay? So I sprinkled some little salt on it and then I scrambled my egg. So now I add my diced onions. I'll allow it to simmer a bit. Then I add my mixed veggies. Yes, you can choose to use any vegetable of your choice, family. Okay, this is a quickie lunch. Okay, so something simple. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. Okay, it's a doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in our eyes. So I add some seasoning and then I stir for it to incorporate into each other. Then I add my cooked rice. And please note, with this recipe, I use Ghana local rice. Okay, it was superb, trust me. Sometimes you need to try our Ghanaian local rice and you'll be glad you did. Okay, so now I stir. Then I add little black pepper, which is optional. Okay, yes. Then we add the diced mangoes. Yes, this is where the sweetness is coming from. Just look at how beautiful, how colorful it is. Trust me, it was so sweet and delicious. Okay, like I always say, enough with the boring rice. Okay, add some color and goodness to your plates. Okay, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. I really appreciate you guys for 7k subs. Okay, let's keep them coming. If you like this video, why don't you give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please share for your family and friends to also enjoy this goodness on their plate. Thank you guys. Come, let's enjoy this beautiful mango fried rice as lunch. Okay, see ya in our next video. I love you guys. Bye, family.